Hi there, I'm Aria, and welcome to Jarvis Home Hub. This is the channel where complete beginners learn to use AI, with zero jargon and zero assumptions about what you already know. Whether you've never touched AI in your life, or you've tried it and didn't get on with it, you're exactly in the right place. Right then, let's get into today's video. I've got a brilliant trick to plan your dream holiday in just 20 minutes. Imagine having the perfect Italian getaway without spending hours researching. That's what we're going to achieve today. So, you want to visit Italy, right? Instead of scouring Google for hours, we've got a special travel research prompt that gives us instant answers. It's like having a personal travel assistant at our fingertips. We'll use this prompt to find the best places to stay, eat, and explore. Let's have a look. Now that we've got our travel research, let's build a day-by-day itinerary. We'll ask our AI friend to suggest activities and hidden gems that locals love. Imagine having a bespoke Italian adventure without lifting a finger. The AI will take care of the planning, so we can focus on enjoying ourselves. But that's not all. We'll also ask our AI to find out what locals recommend. It's like having insider knowledge without leaving your armchair. The AI will give us the inside scoop on the best restaurants, cafes, and experiences. You might be surprised at how much we can discover. Now that our itinerary is sorted, let's talk packing. We'll use the AI to create a personalized packing list for any trip type. No more forgotten essentials or overpacking. The AI will take care of it all, so we can just relax and enjoy our holiday. Finally, we'll use our AI to compare prices and find deals. It's like having a personal shopping assistant without spending an extra penny. The AI will show us the best options for flights, accommodation, and activities. We can then make informed decisions about our holiday budget. And there you have it. A complete travel itinerary in just 20 minutes. You've seen how AI can help with research, planning, and even packing. Now it's your turn to plan your dream holiday. Remember, the key is to use these tools effectively and make the most of your time. Don't forget to subscribe for more AI tutorials and get ready to take your travels to the next level. Thanks for joining me on this episode. What's your favorite travel destination? Let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next video.